Good morning, it's Yvette here, and I have a folio to share with you. This is it's from Kathy King, and it was a bonus project from one of their kids clubs, and I will put that in the description because I can't find my tutorial and I can't remember what it is. But it's either a calendar year or a year review, and it was, like I say, a bonus project. This one is measuring 9 inches by 9 inches, and I used some graphic 45. I think it's time to flourish, so it's kind of a year graphic 45 paper. It's an old one, and I just thought it would be perfect to share a full year. So I will be teaching this one at the Scrapbook Cottage, and in November of 2018, and I'll also teach it in Steinbach if there's enough interest. So just contact the store in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, if you are interested. And this is actually a really, really neat one. So it opens up, so these are magnetic, and your flaps open like this, and then there's your center section, and the flaps will open like that. See if I can zoom out a little bit for you. I don't think I'll get it all in, but... And then you've got the third section, and that opens like that. So I can almost get it all in there. So anyways, that's what it looks like. So here you've got January. So you've got like a photo. I've put the word January. You've got room for 2 photos. And then you've got a mat here, and this is also the 4x6 sterling cards that match this paper collection. So this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So this is all for a full year, and I love how it turned out. These are belly bands in the middle. And then you've got the photo and the photo mat. And these are all magnetic. There's July, August. I did use some, like this one was from, I think from the 8x8 paper pad. So I did use some embellishments from both. And then we've got May up here. So the center ones are belly bands, and then you just close them like that, and you're going to put your section in the middle there. And then we have September's. Let's maybe zoom in so you can see a bit better. So then these ones are side pockets, and then there's a photo mat using the cutout sheet that comes with the collection. There's one for each month. There's October, and there's a nice image there. I wondered if it was going to be a bit busy because of all the different patterns, but I do like how it turned out. And then you've got December's here. Maybe just a bit more. There you go. And then they just fold in like this. And this one's from the Time Flourish, but this one here, these two are from Botanical Tea, right there. I just thought they would match. And then on the back of these, I did the 8x8 months, and I did May for that one. I did December for there, and I did September here. I have a grandson that was born in May, so we'll probably have a birthday party, so we'll add some extra pictures there. I have another grandson that was born in September, and I'll put his pictures in the birthday party there. In December, we always take a lot of pictures, so that's what we're going to do. I wanted extra room for December. So that is the 9x9 folio, year to review, and I'm going to teach it in Winnipeg. There's the back. So I also thought it would be pretty cool to make one for a Christmas countdown. So I've got, this one's not finished matting, but there's one. And even a baby's first year, like that one would really work too. And I did kind of make one side a little wider than the other because I just found that it laid flatter. So I did alter that a little bit. So this one is not quite finished, but you can kind of get the same idea. So you've got your photos and embellishments there. So, and then I just did the pretty paper on the other side. And then this I did kind of a small, actually I should probably show you that because it kind of looks cool. What am I at for time? So it's kind of like a little 3-page layout here. Zoom out so you can see it all. So it's kind of a very nice arrangement. So here's your first night home, first bath, first giggle, first smile, first word, and first look. So you can either journal about it or put some photos. The photos can match the card. I thought that was kind of cute. And then I used the 2x2s that came with the collection. These are the 3x4s. I matted it with a little bit of paper just to use up some of that space. So here's your first section. So you've got that, and then you've got that. And the magnets are underneath here. So they kind of hold this in place, and it kind of keeps everything nice and tidy. These I didn't glue down so you could put your photo underneath there. So it opens like that. And that one goes on that. And that one like that. So I'll zoom in again so you can see the matting. So there's first month, your second month, your third, and then your fourth. And this has date, height, weight, tiny details, and precious moments. And so you've got all those. And then some embellishments that you can just tuck your photo underneath if you want. And there was more embellishments, but I didn't put them down. I'll wait and put my photos in first. And then here too, you can just lift this up and set it underneath there. And then you've got the photo mats that I still have to finish those, but there's some 4x6 cards. And yeah, so I still have to mat the inside of the pockets, but I should maybe show you just the matting here. So just plain, simple. Go down a little bit. Just plain and simple. That's how I like to scrapbook. Just plain and simple. But I think this will be a really nice keepsake for the year, for the first baby year. And then that closes up like that. And your large photo mat fits there. So then we have the middle section. And that's the same thing. You've got this one is the belly band. So you've got 8 months. This is 7 months, 6 months. And this one is 5 months. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then that closes up too. And you can put your second one. Now the third one, same thing, it just opens. And these ones I was thinking that I might These come in the die cuts, and I might do that for some embellishments on the photo mats that go inside the pockets. But we have number 9. And just keeping it simple. Number 10, again, just keeping it simple. And then 11. Again, just matching everything up as best I can. And then there's number 12. So that is the baby one. I better put this back in here so that I don't lose it. And then it just folds up like that. And your mat goes on there. And that, I use a quilting pattern there. And this one was, I did some fake paper piecing here, but they can kind of journal on this one, is what I thought. This is one of the cards that goes in the binders, but I kind of thought that would kind of look cool. And here I used some paper and tried to make some borders just to strengthen the spine a bit. And then we have some embellishments here that you can tuck your photos behind. And then that's the back. So that's the baby version. And the Christmas one is not very, it's not very finished, so I'll still show it to you. So we have that so far. And I will zoom out again. Cords in the way. So you've got, and this is, like I say, this is old Christmas paper I'm trying to get rid of. And then here I don't have the mats yet, so you can just see how strong the magnets are, but they're going to be pockets. And then I'm going to put numbers for Christmas countdown. There's your center one. So once I get it matted, I will come back and show you this one. There's the center section. So there's 12 flaps, one for every month. Or for Christmas, you can do one for every day because you've got mats that you can put the dates on. And then you can do maybe your Christmas parties and stuff more on these ones. But that is what I have so far. And there's a Christmas countdown. You can do it as a baby version, or you could do it as a year in review and do a photo for each month. Or photos, because you do have some room for quite a few photos in the pockets and in the photo mats. So this is, again, a class that I'll be teaching in November at the Scrapbook Cottage. Look for it on their Facebook page. Sign up when you get a chance, and we will have a lot of fun. And I also made one that's with the file folders, so I will show you guys what this looks like and how easy it is to make. So I think you're going to enjoy this class. So like I say, please sign up, and we will see you in November. Thank you. Bye.